Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about a way to glam up any kind of space. So this is my office, and I have changed my door knobs to be these fabulous crystal doorknobs. It's very simple, and they just add some glam, and I got them at Home Goods. It was a great find. And also another great creative thing that you can do is see my fabulous wall. Well, I have changed out my plugs to mirrors. So this is a great way, and it's very easy to create, again, especially if you're changing out walls or wanting like a high glam look, to just change out your little plugs everywhere. I've done it on all the walls. You can see on a non-colored wall. It is also done down here. And so it's unified, and it's something so simple, and it just adds some class and glam. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancy.